Welcome back, guys, to part 4 of the exhaust installation on the Y ZF-R1. We'll be installing the Aquapovich dual slip-on carbon fiber that will replace the stock one here for not really performance, a little bit of performance, but definitely to look in the sound. And we'll be looking at the package and lay down everything, see if everything's here, and we'll go ahead and start. Package came out yesterday via UPS really quickly, and this is the box with the slip-on Aquapovich dual exhaust for the YZF-R1. And we'll be taking it out the box and look inside, make sure everything is there. Okay, so I got everything laid down for you guys. You can see the canisters well packaged here. These are the slash cut dual slip-on carbon fiber with carbon fiber tips. And everything well packaged with the tools. And we have a well-defined instruction booklets here that we'll be following along. Okay. Here I got the first page of the instruction booklets here. As you guys can see, it's well defined, well laid out with pictures, so we can easily follow up. And depending on the on this book here, we will be basically removing both chairs, and we'll be removing the cowlings here to get access to the pipes, and we'll be unmounting each one at a time by removing the heat shield here first. And I'm not going to install the Y-leg because I'm not going to be doing the track, so we'll be still using the catalytic converter, as you can see here. That will stay, so basically we'll just slip those on here, and those will be gone in about an hour and a half. Before I do that, we'll do a sound check. So we'll go ahead and start it up, and to see the sound difference here. Okay, so we got the bike on a stand here. And we'll be removing a couple screws here, and here, and we'll also remove the back seat locking mechanism here, and the cowling will come off, and we'll be unscrewing a few screws over there and a few down here, and also on the other side. And that will be it before we do the replacement with the Aquapovich one. See you guys in a minute. Okay, now we have the stock pipes removed. Just a quick recap on what we did. We removed the top cowlings with a couple screws around here, and unbolt the top portion on each side to remove the stock pipes. As you can see, metal clamps down here and metal clamps down there. Okay, so that's the linkage that will house the new Aquapovich carbon fiber pipe here. Okay, and let's go up in the installation now. Okay, new pipes ready to be installed. From now on, we will be wearing gloves because we will be greasing the linkage here with the recommended Aquapovich lead-free anti-rust, anti-everything if you want to call it. Okay, so very dangerous for the skin, you know, maybe get some irritation and stuff like that. So also we'll be wiping all those prints as you see here. Okay, and we'll go up with the installation. Okay guys, so canister's been installed, everything is good, no quirks going on. Every bolt has been tightened. Now we need to put the cowlings back on, tighten everything back up, and we'll go ahead and do a sound check. So we can see the difference between the third party and the stock one. All done. Seats are back, cowlings are back, everything's tightened, and that's the way an R1 should be sold. Everything's flushed nicely, nothing's rubbing, nothing touching, and I don't expect a lot of heat compared to the stock one. So we'll go ahead and fire it up so we can do a sound check. It's like music to my ears. The V-twin sound like really gets pronounced with these ones here. So okay guys, so go ahead and mix a post and let me know what you think. Alright guys, see ya.